cook it and we have a vegetable sauce to prepare today. So these are the two vegetables we'll be using. So we're using a kale leaf already sliced, and then we use the spinach, so pepper, iru, we call it iru, and it's called bore in some parts of Nigeria, and then the name in English name is locust beef. So we have salt and seasoning, onions, ginger, and garlic mixed together, mushroom, and the protein we'll be using today. So yeah, I'm not using crayfish, but I'm using dried prawn. That's the grind one and the fresh prawn. So I will be putting the goat meat in the pot first. Usually I cook the goat meat first because at times they stay longer to cook. But today I will be mixing all together to cook because I want to season them one time. Cow skin, they are all washed before now. This is garlic and ginger. We'll just be adding there. Salt. We might not finish the salt though. Now I will just use 2. Now I will just put it on the fire. At this point, I might just be adding water. Add onion, and then I will be adding a spoon of salt on the vegetable, and then squeeze a little bit water out of it. I've used 4 bunch of vegetables. 4. Just to squeeze a little bit water out. Okay, the meat are ready. All of them are ready. So I will just put the stove off. Then I want to put them in the oven, but not the cow skin, just the beef and the chicken and the goat meat. So this meat, I will just put them in the oven for a little bit. We have palm oil. We have adding the onions to the palm oil. Oh. And we add the locust beef. This is the remaining one for the seasoning cube. We're adding now mushroom. I will be adding the meat now. Remember, we cook the meat and then bake it a little bit. So just had to do another do here, so the oil can go in. All the things we have here, they can blend together.
Cooking food is not a bad thing. We dey cook, we not take classes. Oh, full rice in at the party. My samosa tight, no elastic. I want choppy yam and beans. I want a 4 euro and wheat. I want like 1 kilo of beef.
The cow skin is already soft, so we'll not be needing that one immediately. So I add the pepper and the crayfish. Actually, from dried from. You know those big head of prawn that you use leftover? I keep them since all this year, so that's what I'm doing now. I don't need to use crayfish when I'm using that one. It tastes almost same way. Okay. So I will be adding the kale leaf. The kale leaf is the strong one, so I want the strong one to go first. I will try bring it down, then add more if necessary. So I've turned that one in. At this point, the stove is low. It really dry. I don't know if you can see the under. Yeah. There is no water. I'm putting the cow skin. I recut them. I don't want to slice it that too small. Remember, it's already 100% cooked, so yeah. Time to add our spinach. Remember, you add some inside, you turn them in. If not, the pot will full. When you turn them in and add more. Okay. The scent that is coming out from this food, man. I'm even praying for it not to be sweet like this scent that is coming out, because if not, that one the doctor said eat 1 portion of fufu. That 1 portion I will just eat 12 portions and tell them I eat 1 portion. Please don't go and tell him before they sanction me trying to lose weight and making this kind of food at home. Anyway, I'll just eat rice. Thank you guys. Please don't mind me. Just eat as you want. Please eat healthy. But this, I don't know. So I will just leave it for like 3 minutes. Remember, I add salt in the spinach when I was squeezing them. So this is how our vegetable sauce looks like. Look at it done, see dry. After 3 minutes. So the stove is off at this point. The heat will cook it, but I will take it out here now immediately. Oh my god, the thing is so heavy. Thank you guys for watching. I will show you how it looks like.
Cooking food is not a bad thing. We dey cook, we not take classes. Oh, full rice in at the party. My samosa tight.
So as I said, I will be using mine to eat rice because it's already 7 p.m. I cannot eat swallow from 6 p.m. I stopped eating something like that. So yeah, this is what I will be eating. I'm trying to get some juice out, but it's not going out. Anyway, yeah. So we're done. This is the vegetable sauce we make. You can use to eat rice, and you can also use it for swallow. So let me try it and see. This, let's say I will change my mind though. Yes, I will change my mind. You can go for swallow. Thank you so much for watching, and we thank you for always being with us. We're sorry we're not able to meet up with post the video weekly. Yeah, because I have a lot of stuff I'm doing. I'm going to school, and I work, and I have family. So all that is not your problem, and you didn't cause that. So I just want to let you know that I have a lot of homework that I'm doing that is somehow busy. I will try my best to always show up. Thank you guys. Please help us to share and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye and have a nice day. Bye bye.